Okay, so let's summarize what we've learned regarding global applications in AWS. First, we've seen the global DNS route 53, and this is a great way for you to route users to the closest deployment with the least latency, and it's going to be very helpful as well when we define disaster recovery strategies. So we saw how to create records and how to have them point from host name to IP, for example. We've seen a global content delivery network, CDN, CloudFront, and we've actually hooked it up to Amazon S3. So the idea is that we were able to replicate part of our application data into some AWS edge locations, and this allowed us to decrease latency. And on top of it, we're able to cache the common request in CloudFront, which gives us improved user experience and decreased latency. Next, we have S3 transfer acceleration that actually is going to allow us to accelerate global uploads and downloads into Amazon S3 and also leverages the edge locations of AWS. Global Accelerator, yet again, leverages these edge locations, the global network, and this gives us an improved global application availability and performance. Next, we've seen Outposts. So this is more how to extend our whole infrastructure. So Outposts allow us to deploy these Outpost racks into our own data center to extend some AWS services. So here we have the cloud of AWS within our data center on premises. We have wavelength, and this is to bring AWS services to the edge thanks to the 5G networks and give us ultra low latency application. And finally, local zones. Local zones are allowing us to bring resources of AWS, such as compute, database, storage, closer to your users, for example, in Boston, Dallas, Miami, Chicago, and so on. And this is going to be really, really good when you have a latency-sensitive application that needs to have very, very fast local access in a specific region of the United States or the world, but for now, just the US. Okay, so that's it for this lecture. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next lecture.